Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Crua monitor no sound issue. So first to do is to verify the monitor speakers. The most fundamental step is to confirm your Crua monitor actually has built-in speakers. So most of the Crua monitors doesn't have any built-in speakers. They only have an audio output jack. So check the monitor's specifications or user manual. So as seen in this Reddit post, sometimes people assume a monitor has speakers when it does not. And then next, if you have verified it, you must check your audio output settings. So for Windows, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray on the lower right side of your screen and then select sound settings. Now in the output section, ensure your Crua monitor is selected as the output device. It might be listed as HDMI audio, display audio, or the monitor's specific model name. So if it doesn't work guys, make sure to update your NVIDIA or your AMD high definition audio device. And if your problem is still persists, a faulty or low quality cable can sometimes cause audio issues. Try using a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. So basically that's it.